Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 6mm screws with the keyboard symbol next to them. Flip the device back over and open it up. The keyboard is held in place by spring-loaded tabs on the palm rest. Gently insert the opener pick between the keyboard and the palm rest, and slide it along the edges to push in those tabs and pop the keyboard free. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard and reapply the tape. Slide the keyboard slots back into the spring-loaded tabs, and push down to snap the rest of the keyboard back into place. Replace the two 6mm screws.